Hello everyone, this is the question asked in GATE 2019 Electrical Engineering. Given two sets x 1, 2, 3 and y 2, 3, 4, we construct a set z of all possible fractions where the numerators belong to a set x and the denominators belong to a set y. The product of elements having minimum and maximum values in the set z is. So we have been given with two sets and we have to construct a z of all possible fractions where the numerator value of the fraction is calculated from the set x and the denominator value of that fraction is calculated from the set y. So in order to solve this question, let's have a look at the useful information. Now, for any positive fraction, if the numerator of a fraction is increased keeping the denominator constant, then the value of that fraction increases, and conversely, if the denominator of that fraction is increased keeping the numerator constant, then the value of that fraction decreases. So the idea is that if I have a fraction 1 upon 2 which equals 0.5, and if I increase the numerator by 1, then the value of this fraction would be increasing as I go along. Conversely, if I have the same fraction 1 upon 2 and if I increase the denominator keeping the numerator constant, then the value of this fraction would keep on decreasing. So let's use this idea and try to solve the problem. So first, we have been provided with two sets x and y having the elements as 1, 2 and 3 and 2, 3 and 4. Now we have to construct a set z of all the possible elements in which the numerator is from the set x and the denominator is from the set y. Now in this set, we have to determine the product of the minimum and the maximum element. Now there can be 9 possible combinations of the set z in which there may be some common sets which we have to subtract. But if I look at the question, I only need to determine the minimum and the maximum values in this set. So the minimum value in this set can be found out by taking the minimum value of the numerator and the maximum value of the denominator. So if I take the minimum value from the set x and the maximum value from the set y, then this would be my minimum element in the set z. Conversely, if I take the maximum value from the set x and the minimum value from the set y, then this would be my maximum value from the set z. So this would be the maximum value in the set z. Now I have my minimum and the maximum values. Now if I multiply these two terms, the final answer that I would be getting would be 3/8, which matches with option D. So option D is the right answer. Thank you.